Hello, everyone, and welcome to English Pro Journey. If you're struggling to learn English, improve your speaking skills, or practice daily conversations, this video is for you. Today, we're going to talk about how you can learn English with Chatgpt, a tool that can help you practice, improve, and gain confidence in speaking English. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use Chatgpt effectively for English learning, including how to practice conversations, how to improve pronunciation, how to expand your vocabulary, how to think and respond in English naturally, how to use ChatGPT for grammar correction and writing practice. So, stay with me till the end, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell if you find this helpful. Section 1. Why learning English with ChatGPT is effective. Many people struggle with learning English because they don't have someone to practice with. You might know grammar rules and have a good vocabulary, but when it comes to speaking fluently, you feel stuck. Here's why ChatGPT is a great tool for English learners. Available anytime. Unlike a teacher or a speaking partner, ChatGPT is available 24/7. You can practice at any time that suits you. No fear of judgment. Many learners feel shy or embarrassed when speaking English. With ChatGPT, you can practice without worrying about making mistakes. Personalized learning. ChatGPT can adjust to your level, whether you're a beginner, intermediate, or advanced learner. Instant feedback. You can get grammar corrections, suggestions, and explanations instantly. Interactive conversations. You can chat about different topics, practice role-playing, and improve your daily conversation skills. Now, let's see how to use ChatGPT effectively for English learning. Section 2. Practicing conversations in English with ChatGPT. One of the best ways to improve your English is by having daily conversations. ChatGPT can be your conversation partner and help you practice real-life dialogues. How to start a conversation. To practice speaking, simply type something like, "Hi, can we have a conversation in English?" Or you can be more specific. Can we have a conversation about ordering food at a restaurant? ChatGPT will respond like a real person and continue the conversation. Here are some real-life conversation topics you can practice. Check mark daily conversations. How was your day? What are your weekend plans? Ordering food. Can I get a cheeseburger and fries, please? Shopping. Excuse me, how much is this shirt? Making phone calls. Hello, I'd like to book a table for two. Job interviews. Tell me about yourself. Tip. Try role-playing different scenarios to get comfortable with English conversations. Section 3. Improving pronunciation with ChatGPT. Pronunciation is one of the biggest challenges for English learners. Even if you know the right words, poor pronunciation can make communication difficult. How ChatGPT helps with pronunciation. While ChatGPT cannot speak, it can still help you improve your pronunciation by giving phonetic transcriptions, e.g., pronounce thought like thought, explaining tongue placement for difficult sounds, e.g., the th sound in this is different from thin, providing example words with similar sounds. Practical exercise. Ask ChatGPT, can you give me words that rhyme with cat? How do I pronounce schedule in American and British English? Tip. Use text-to-speech apps alongside ChatGPT to hear correct pronunciations. Section 4. Expanding your vocabulary. Building a strong vocabulary is key to speaking English fluently. ChatGPT can help you learn new words in a fun and interactive way. How to learn new words with ChatGPT. Ask ChatGPT, can you give me 10 advanced words for daily conversation? Can you suggest synonyms for happy? Can you teach me 5 business English words? Word association game. Play a game where ChatGPT gives a word, and you reply with a related word. Example. ChatGPT. Tree. U. Leaf. ChatGPT. River. U. Water. This helps connect words naturally in your brain. Section 5. Thinking and responding in English. A common problem for learners is thinking in their native language first, then translating into English. This slows down speaking speed. How to train your brain to think in English. Use simple English sentences for daily thoughts. I need to buy milk, instead of thinking in your native language and then translating. Ask Chatgpt to help you describe your day. Can you help me talk about my morning routine? Play a question-answer game. Chatgpt asks a question, and you answer instantly. Tip: avoid translating in your mind. Just respond naturally, even with simple words. Section 6. Grammar and Writing Practice. Many learners struggle with grammar, but ChatGPT can help correct mistakes and explain grammar rules. How to use ChatGPT for grammar correction. Ask ChatGPT, can you check my sentence for grammar mistakes? What is the difference between since and for? Can you explain the past perfect tense? Writing practice. You can also ask ChatGPT to write a short story and then summarize it, help you compose emails or essays, generate dialogues for different situations. Section 7. Daily practice routine with ChatGPT. To get the best results, practice every day. Here's a simple daily routine you can follow. Morning, 10 minutes. Have a small conversation with ChatGPT. Afternoon, 15 minutes. Ask ChatGPT for new vocabulary words and practice sentences. Evening, 20 minutes. Do a role-play conversation and get grammar corrections. Night, 10 minutes. Summarize your day in English and ask ChatGPT to correct it. Conclusion. So that's how you can learn English with ChatGPT. Remember, practice speaking daily with real-life conversations. Use ChatGPT for pronunciation. Help. Expand your vocabulary with games and exercises. Think in English and respond naturally. Improve your writing and grammar with ChatGPT's corrections. The more you practice, the faster you will improve. Bonus tips for maximizing your English learning with ChatGPT. Now that we've covered the basics of using ChatGPT to improve your English, let's go even deeper. Here are some additional ways to make your learning even more effective. 1. Set learning goals with ChatGPT. Having a goal makes learning more effective. Instead of just chatting randomly, set a goal for each practice session. Examples. I want to learn 5 new idioms today. I want to practice introducing myself in English. I want to write a short story in English and get feedback. Ask ChatGPT, can you create a 7-day English learning plan for me? How can I improve my spoken English in 1 month? This will help you stay motivated and track your progress. 2. Practice speaking out loud. Even though ChatGPT is text-based, you should always read your answers aloud to improve your speaking fluency. Try this technique. 1. Read ChatGPT's responses aloud. 2. Try to repeat the same sentence without looking. 3. Record yourself and listen to your pronunciation. Compare it with native speakers using YouTube, podcasts, or AI voice assistants. Tip: use apps like Google Translate's speech feature to check your pronunciation. 3. Simulate real-life situations. The best way to learn practical English is by acting out real-life scenarios. Ordering food. Can we do a role play where I order coffee at a cafe? Job interview practice. Can you ask me common job interview questions and evaluate my answers? Travel conversations. Let's practice booking a hotel room in English. These simulations prepare you for real-world interactions and boost your confidence. 4. Improve listening skills with ChatGPT. Although ChatGPT doesn't have voice features, you can still improve listening skills using transcripts from podcasts, movies, or YouTube videos. How to practice. 1. Ask ChatGPT, can you summarize this podcast in simple English? 2. Play an English video with subtitles and try to understand it. 3. Pause and type, what does this phrase mean? 4. Try to repeat what you hear without subtitles. Tip: use ChatGPT to generate dialogues and then listen to similar real-life conversations on YouTube. 5. Learn idioms, slang, and phrasal verbs. Textbooks don't always teach real-life expressions that native speakers use daily. ChatGPT can help you learn idioms, slang, and phrasal verbs. Ask ChatGPT, can you teach me 10 English idioms with examples? What are common English slang words used in the USA? Can you give me 5 phrasal verbs for daily conversations? Examples: idioms, break a leg, good luck, under the weather, feeling sick. Slang, what's up, how are you, gonna, going to. Phrasal verbs, look up, search for, give up, stop trying. Learning these makes your English sound more natural. 6. Use ChatGPT for exam preparation. If you're preparing for IELTS, TOEFL, or any English exam, ChatGPT can help you practice. Speaking test simulation. Can we do a mock IELTS speaking test? Essay writing practice. Can you give me a writing topic and check my grammar? Listening comprehension. Can you summarize a TED Talk for me? By using ChatGPT regularly, you'll build confidence for your exam. 7. Challenge yourself with storytelling. One fun way to improve fluency is by telling stories. Ask ChatGPT, can you give me a random story idea? I will start a story, and you continue it. Example, you. One day, I was walking in the forest and saw something strange. Stick pin and example. You. One day, I was walking in the forest and saw something strange. ChatGPT. Suddenly, you heard a whisper behind you. It was a talking bird. This makes learning engaging and creative. 8. Learn English with ChatGPT in different styles. Another great way to practice is by changing the learning style. Checkmark casual chat. Let's have a normal conversation. Formal English. Can you rewrite my sentence in professional English? Kids English. Explain this concept in simple words, like for a 5-year-old. Poetic English. Can you turn this sentence into a poem? This helps you adapt to different situations in real life. Final words. Keep practicing every day. Learning English with ChatGPT is easy, fun, and effective. But the key is consistency. Daily routine recap. Spend at least 15 to 30 minutes practicing every day. Try new conversation topics each time. Challenge yourself with idioms, storytelling, and role plays. Think in English instead of translating. The more you use English, the more natural and fluent you'll become. Now it's your turn. Question for you. How do you practice English daily? Let me know in the comments. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Keep learning, keep growing, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy English learning. Heh.